Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Hi, we are here again with a new video about Google Arts and Culture, how to use it and get selfie from it. So let's start. First of all, open the Play Store, search Google Arts and Culture, install this app. Downloading starts. It's about 5.94 MB. It will take little time to install. Downloading is finished and it's going to install the app. Open Google Arts and Culture now. Scroll down the app. Here is the feature to get selfie. Click here on get started. Click I accept. It will ask for a permission, and when you click allow, you are able to get selfie. So this is how you can take selfie. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.